Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to actually hide this menu bar along the top within our Visual Studio Code editor. All we can do is we can click on the option here called View, and then go to the third option from the top down called Appearance, and we'll uncheck this option here called Menu Bar. This will then remove the menu bar here along the top in your VS Code editor. So there you have it. This is how you can hide the menu bar in your Visual Studio Code editor.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.